welcome back to Huddle and Hilltop. I'm Mikey.
And I'm Charlotte. It's crazy to think, but this is our last episode with our fall sports. The fall season flew by. A lot of our teams were so successful. We had a lot of semifinals, we had a bowl game, and now we're ready for the winter.
Yep, and to finish off the season, we're going to be interviewing our cross-country team just to end off with a bang, so let's get to it.
Let's go.
Hey guys, we're here with Ella and Harry from the cross-country team, and we're going to ask them a couple questions.
Okay guys, so favorite team pre-game ritual, or pre-meet ritual I should say.
Oh yeah, the team. So when we go to get our stuff from the dining hall to get our snacks and stuff for away meals, you guys know, we grab a potato, like a small little, like one of those small potatoes.
Wait.
Yeah.
You grab a
not a huge potato. No, just one of those small like russet potatoes.
Okay.
And what do you do?
That's the thing.
What do you do with the potato?
That's where I'm going.
Okay.
We go at the meets. We use the potato and we play football with them. We play catch. And yeah.
So you take the potato on the bus. Every meet you take it on the bus.
It's in the snack box.
And you play football.
And we play football with it at the meet.
How did that start?
I think we were loading things into the box last year. We were loading apples.
Yeah.
And there was somehow there was a random potato that ended up in the apple carton or wherever we got the apples from. And we were like, oh my god, there's a potato. We gotta bring we were just gonna bring it anyway just to see, get a rise out of whoever, but then we just started playing catch with it.
It's kind of awesome.
Wow, that is I wasn't expecting that.
Does the potato make it on the way home, or does it get left?
Sometimes it makes it home. Other times it gets chucked in the woods.
Yeah.
Another time it got obliterated because someone dropped it on the track.
Oh, that's important.
We got yelled at for littering the track with potato, even though.
Wow.
Wow, that's the first pre-game ritual that we've had that's really been entertaining.
Yeah, that was a good one.
That
Usually,
was,
I know Chaz eats Go-Gurts or whatever. But that's good.
We've had eaten a certain piece of food, but nothing like that before. That's good.
Yeah.
And then, do you guys have any special songs that you listen? Do you guys have a speaker that you bring on the bus?
Well, first of all, are you allowed to listen to music while you run?
No.
Okay, so while you're on the bus, what do you listen to songs or do anything? What do you do on the bus?
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. It kind of depends who's in charge of the music.
Yeah, when Caleb's in charge of the music, there's a lot of, what would you say? A lot of Taylor Swift.
Well, it's
A lot of Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift.
Surprising amount of Taylor Swift.
yeah, it's a variety of different.
Yeah, but
Alright.
it's awful because the buses, they have music playing over the speakers.
Oh yeah, no.
And then
it's so
he
bad.
plays it anyway.
Yeah.
So it's two songs matched.
Yeah.
This is really
What do you guys? There's a lot of waiting at cross country
Yes.
days. You're there forever.
So
What do you do when you're not running?
when you're not throwing potatoes?
Yeah, when we're not throwing
exactly.
potatoes around.
Talking.
Yeah.
We warm up for a while.
I know it seems like a lot of waiting, but
We get
between
nervous.
warming up before races takes a bit, and then your races, and
We cheer each other on.
yeah, we're
too.
cheering the boys because the boys race after the girls.
Yeah.
So
It's only the.
It's not together.
It's just the
Not
3.1, right?
Yeah.
Or 3.2.
3.1, 3.2, yeah.
Yeah. So the boys, since we race after the girls, we'll cheer the girls on, and then we have to start warming up about halfway through their race.
Do you guys go to different parts of the course and go cheer
Yeah.
them on?
Yep,
Yeah.
we do. Depending on the course, sometimes you can't get as far into it, just walking, but yeah, we'll cheer on from different points.
And then, so at my old school, I ran track, and they would tell me the cross country kids that there would sometimes be little ways you could cheat the course and get some
Yeah.
distance off. Is that true?
You can cut some corners. Depends.
Yeah.
And do officials know?
Well, we're not we don't do it because they plant people in the middle of the woods, so you really can't. But
you don't know when they're there.
if there's a line being drawn, you can
You can kind of, yeah.
you can I mean, a little bit.
People got lost, too.
Yeah,
We
people
gotta
get
keep-
lost.
Get
You've gotten
lost?
lost.
Oh,
There's
yeah.
not always that
Oh
long.
yeah. Oh yeah.
What?
I got lost once. Only once though.
Did you stop running?
They DQ you, so yeah. I mean, you could run if you really wanted to, but once
How do you
DQ
get? Isn't it all marked? How do you get lost?
It's not always.
There's a lot of different trails, and they're not very clear sometimes which way to go. So,
How did you know you were lost?
and again, if you're looking for the cut-throughs, that doesn't help because then you end up cutting
Yeah.
through the woods.
Wow.
Yeah. If you see an opening, that happens a lot too through the woods. You're like,
Yeah.
oh, there's a finish.
Then it's
You try to go that way.
a lot of loops.
Wow. That's crazy,
What,
guys.
what is happening? This is
Cross
But that's
country.
only happened a few times. It's a rare
yeah,
thing.
but it can be really confusing because a lot of the courses they don't have enough space.
Okay,
To make like a 3-mile loop, so they'll do like these weird. Like the last course we were at was so confusing.
Yeah.
It was like.
So I was gonna ask you that. Is there like a home course advantage? Would you say? Like, would you say you do better, you run faster when you're here?
Honestly, it's more of a
Where's
disadvantage
our
for
course?
us. That's the
Balance
thing.
fields.
Yeah, in the
It's-
woods behind New Balance.
But it's
Oh.
And it's rough.
dangerous.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
But I feel like you know the dangerous spots. I feel like
We
there's.
do.
Have you
But
ever seen
we
a
do.
snake?
no.
Yeah,
There was
actually.
a.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, my
God.
freshman year.
Wow.
There was a hornet attack.
It wasn't quite in it.
I
but
heard
it was
about
there.
that hornet attack.
Oh, that was
that was
bad.
brutal.
Yeah, but it's really rough. Like the the bridges are, they're close to like coming down. Like it's really bad because it crosses like a little brook river kind of thing, like 3 or 4 times in the woods.
So what we've learned from cross country is that it's dangerous and you can get lost. So
They don't. Wow.
It's not easy.
you gotta be ready to go all in if you join cross country.
Yeah, pay attention on the course walks.
Yeah.
And look at a
Those
map.
dogs, yeah.
Look at a map.
Yeah.
All right. Well, now we're gonna let them play a game. So let's
Oh,
go.
God.
Actually, I need some food.
All right, so we're back playing our game with the cross country team. Now we know they're pretty fast, but let's see how fast they can eat some food. So let's get to it. We're gonna have them put their hands behind their back and see how fast they can eat the donut off a string or a streamer. So let's do it. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, Harry is totally.
First bite. Harry's
All right.
got it.
Oh my god, it's swinging back and forth. I'm not tall enough for that.
I'm so
Harry's
close.
being super methodical. with it.
Stop! It's
Did you get the close up? Oh, Harry, you're in the lead right now.
I'm just gonna let him win. It's it's just like not moving.
No hand, no hand, no hand, no hands.
Where?
No!
No! Do I win? Does that mean I win?
What? I
Are you telling me you have to eat?
Wait, wait, wait.
no, don't eat. Definitely don't
Tell
eat
me I have
it.
to eat that.
Definitely don't eat it. If we lean down a little bit, you just picked it up, but we lost the donut. Oh, she caught it.
No.
If you eat that,
doesn't count.
if you eat it, you win.
Yeah, no, we'll tie them here because Harry had her. Harry had her. All right, we'll give him a tie. So here we're gonna make them eat fruit roll-ups again without using their hands, and obviously the fastest one wins. So 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Oh, this is close.
This is close.
Oh
Harry
no,
dropped it.
Harry.
How do you do that, Harry?
You're 0 for 2. All right,
We
Ella
gotta
won
give
that
that one
one.
to Ella. We have to give that one to Ella. We're left no choice. So now they have Oreos on their forehead, and they're gonna try to get the Oreo from their forehead to their mouth and eat the Oreo the fastest. And I have a couple extras here, so for when they drop it, they can just throw one in. So we'll go, move the camera up in 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit so you can
Restart.
really see what's going on.
If you
Harry,
catch it, just put it back.
you're good. Just put it back on.
Catch
Oh
it.
god, okay. It's gonna hit my eye.
Got another one.
Alright.
Actually,
Has anyone actually ever done this?
Oh, we don't know.
I don't think anyone.
I
Oh
witnessed
god,
it
there's
once.
Oreo
I
all over my
witnessed it
face.
once.
It's gonna hit my eye.
This is
Try like
impossible.
scrunching your nose.
If you can bounce it on your nose, you can try starting it there, but that's gonna be hard.
Here, there's more.
All right, Harry, bounce it on his nose.
No way.
Oh, that was close.
Oh!
I'm so close.
He's bouncing. Okay,
We're
wait.
gonna have to like time lapse this. There it is.
Yay!
There it is.
Thank God, because I could not have done that.
All right.
Thank you so much for tuning in to all of our episodes for this season's fall sports. We're so excited to keep going, and now we've got all our winter sports, so be sure to stay tuned. And we'll be back next week. I'm Charlotte.
I'm Mikey, and thanks for tuning in on Huddle and Hilltop.